was it. I got this big, beautiful Maoli, Maya Maoli banana that I transplanted here recently. It's just starting to get a pup. Look at that little guy there. Anyway, I had to flip some stones up, and you know, this paver had a bunch of compost litter in it. And look at these feeder roots, right? Look at those beautiful rootlets, and those are all banana, no doubt, not from anything else. And so this just goes to reinforce the idea that you don't want to grow your banana in just a patch of lawn. You don't want that sod around that maybe 3-4 foot perimeter of your banana. You're way better off having any kind of mulch, leaf mulch, you know, coconuts or whatever, rocks. I mean, anything that traps that moisture, and especially if it's compost, and your plant's gonna be able to reach up and feed off of all of that. And the bananas are just excellent, you know, feeders. They know they're really tough, and they're able to stick their fingers in some pretty raw stuff. And so yeah, I thought that'd be cool. I wanted to point that out for anybody who questions whether or not you should pull all the compost away from your banana. It's like, yeah, you don't want the bottom all heaped up and maybe attracting too many insects or funguses, like mushrooms sometimes will start getting going. But, you know, give them a little breathing room. But then, yeah, mulch them. Mulch a big ring. You know, put some logs down or some pavers or whatever, and, you know, so you got an edge and you know where you could mow. But other than that, load them up, because it's going to bring all the bugs in and all that breaking down compost and nutrients. Anyway, I just thought that was cool. Compost your bananas. Aloha.